today is a really busy day. My older son Tristan has a few basketball games that he is playing in. Therefore, I need something hearty and healthy and delicious, but that is quick to make. So in today's video, we are going to be making chili in the Instant Pot. So let's go spice things up.
So the first thing we're going to do is press the saute button.
Once your pot starts to heat up, we are going to throw in 1 pound of ground beef and 1 medium-sized onion that I already chopped up. And now I'm going to mince 4 garlic cloves and go ahead and stir that. All right, that looks good enough. And now I'm going to turn off the saute because I'm going to start adding the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to add the beans, and this is 1 can of black beans, 2 cans of kidney beans, and 2 cans of pinto beans. And we're just going to put them right in the pot. And of course I drained the beans. Okay, so I'm going to add the seasoning, and it is 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Just put that right in. And then 1/4 teaspoon of each, which is paprika, chipotle seasoning, and cayenne. Just put that in there as well. And now I'm gonna add a jalapeno, and this just gives it an extra kick. You don't have to add this, but trust me, it makes it taste way better. And I just use the jar because then I can kind of guarantee that it's gonna be spicy, but if you don't want to and you have fresh jalapenos, you can put that in as well. And now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, however you wanna say it. And I like to add oregano, dried oregano, and garlic powder, and Johnny's seasoning salt. And then 1 big can of crushed tomatoes. And this is what has the liquid in it, so you don't have to add water to it. And I don't stir it because it tends to burn at the bottom if you stir things in the Instant Pot. I don't know why. But anyway, so I'm gonna just put the lid on, and I'm gonna make sure it is on seal, not vent, seal.
And then press manual, and you want to turn it on for 20 minutes. And since this was already on the saute, it won't take as long to build to pressure because the pot is already hot inside. So there, it turned on. So it will build to pressure, and then it will count down from 20 all the way down to 0. And then I'm going to just naturally release it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I've had it naturally released for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to open it.
Okay, moment of truth. And now you want to stir it. And now it is done. I love making chili. Not only is it cheaper than buying it from the store, but also you can really use it in other dishes such as chili cheese fries. My boys love it in nachos, or you can just eat it like this. So let's give it a try. It has just a little bit of kick, so it is perfect in flavor. It's so good, guys. I hope you go home and give it a try. And comment below if you have any questions. And if you want to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video. What are you doing?
Watching the birdie drink water.